Welcome to the very first Leopard Society Playbook, Setting Up Your Wallet. My name is Jason Vaughn Holmes, and today marks a foundational moment in our movement. This guide is not just about crypto or tech, it's about laying the first brick in our decentralized economy. Everything we're building, from our treasury system to voting rights to income opportunities to citizenship itself, begins with this one action: setting up your wallet. This wallet will give you the ability to hold your own USDC, vote on how we allocate funds, prove your status in the community, and one day even own and access services in our future physical village. We're starting from the ground up, not with hype, but with structure, vision, and purpose. So let's walk through it together, step by step. You're becoming part of something bigger, a sovereign society started digitally first and then into the physical world. Welcome to Playbook 01. Today we set up your first Web3 wallet, the foundation of your Leopard Society citizenship. This wallet is more than just a tool to send and receive USDC. It's your digital ID, treasury access key, voting credential, financial control panel, and eventually your proof of status and property in our real world village. All active wallets are tracked in our Treasury Google Sheet, which forms phase one of our decentralized finance system. That means transparency, accountability, and readiness as we build the Leopard Society from digital to physical. And here's another benefit: you can earn up to 4.1 API in rewards just for holding USDC in your wallet. No staking, no lockups, simply holding your contributions on the base network qualifies you. That's right, your $3 a week isn't just a civic contribution, it's also earning you passive income. Later, this wallet will also hold NFTs that shows your citizenship status or voting rights, digital documents, credentials, or work history, ownership tokens for land, housing, or tools inside our economic system. Optional but encouraged. Claim your base name, a Web3 domain name like yourname.base.eth. It lets people send USDC, NFTs, and cryptocurrencies on the base, a layer 2 blockchain on Ethereum, to you without needing your full wallet address, and expand your identity in Web3. Treat this wallet like your social security card, bank account, birth certificate, credit score, tax ID, inventory of what you own in our system. Now, let's walk through the setup step by step. This is one of the most important concepts in our economic system: self custody. When you use apps like Cash App, PayPal, or even Coinbase, the exchange app, you're given a company control of your funds. They can freeze your account or limit withdrawals. In contrast, when you use Coinbase wallet app, you're using a non-custodial wallet. That means you hold the keys, literally. Only you can access your money. Even Coinbase can't recover your wallet if you lose your recovery phrase. That's the power and responsibility of self-custody. Important. Make sure you download the Coinbase wallet app, not the Coinbase trading exchange app. Coinbase app equals custodial like a bank. Coinbase wallet app equals self-custody like your personal vote. We only support Coinbase Wallet because it fits our model of sovereignty, decentralization, and citizen-owned finance. So why are we building the Leopard Society economy on USDC? First, USDC is a stablecoin, which means its value is always tied 1-to-1 to the US dollar. That stability matters. It means our economy isn't affected by wild crypto swings like Bitcoin or Ethereum. One USDC will always be worth $1. It also is fully backed. Every USDC in circulation is matched by actual dollars or short-term US Treasury bonds held in reserve. It's issued by regulatory financial institutions, not some anonymous developer. But it's more than just safe, it's powerful. USDC is available in 185 plus countries, works on nearly every major blockchain, and can be transferred globally in seconds for fractions of a penny. It's globally accessible, highly secure, and earnable. Right now, holding USDC on the base network can earn you up to 4.1% in rewards annually. This makes it ideal for member contributions, internal treasury payments, project funding, voting rewards, paying for future goods or housing in the physical village. Whether you're in Korea, the US, Africa, or the Caribbean, if you've got internet, you've got access. USDC is the digital dollar for a sovereign economy, and it's the financial backbone of our e-village. This is where we take action and actually install the wallet that connects you to the Leopard Society economy. Go to coinbase.com/wallet/downloads. This will detect your device and send you to the right version of the app. Remember, Coinbase Wallet is the non-custodial version. We do not use the Coinbase Exchange app. The wallet app gives you full control of your money, identity, and voting power. Once installed, tap Create New Wallet. You'll get a 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down on paper. This is your master key. Store it somewhere safe. If you lose this, there's no recovery. If you're new to crypto or just want visual support, we included this YouTube video tutorial that walks you through each step. Once you're set up, we'll help you record your wallet and prepare you for your first contribution. Let's delve into the Coinbase Wallet dashboard, the central hub for managing your digital assets within the Leopard Society. Asset tab. Here you'll see your USDC holdings, which are central to our economy, along with other tokens you possess. NFT tab. This section displays your non-fungible tokens, including your Leopard Society citizenship, NFT, which signifies your membership and status within our community. DeFi tab. Access decentralized financial tools directly from your wallet. This enables you to participate in lending, borrowing, and other financial activities without intermediaries. Activity tab. Keep track of all your transactions here. Transparency is key in our decentralized system, and this tab provides a clear record of your financial activities. Browser tab. Explore a variety of decentralized applications directly through your wallet. This feature allows you to interact with various services and platforms that are part of the broader decentralized ecosystem. Understanding these features empowers you to fully engage with the Leopard Society digital infrastructure, ensuring you're well equipped to participate in our decentralized economy. Now that your wallet is set up, here's what comes next: the real onboarding into the Leopard Society economy. First, add at least $3 of USDC to your wallet, but make sure it's on the Base blockchain. We're building our entire DeFi infrastructure on Base, which is a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. It's fast, low cost, secure, and lets us operate globally with the microtransactions and low gas fees. Why $3? It's your weekly contribution, a symbolic but powerful show of commitment. You're not sending it to anyone, you're holding it, self-custody, but you're also signaling your role in our growing economy. Once you added USDC to your wallet, send your wallet address to the treasury team, Jason, or approved council rep. We're recorded in our ledger, which tracks active citizens, wallet balances, and participation. Then join the mission in Discord, start voting, contributing to projects, and discussing future plans with your fellow citizens. To fund your wallet, you have two options: buy USDC on the Coinbase network via Coinbase Exchange, then send it to your Coinbase wallet. Use a third-party on-ramp service that supports Base to purchase USDC directly to your wallet. This is your next step in joining a living, breathing, and fully sovereign digital economy. A base name is more than just a username. It's your digital identity in the on-chain world we're building. Base names are on-chain, human-readable names tied to your wallet. Instead of sending USDC to a long random address, people can just send to something like vaughn.base.eth. These names are built with the same technology as ENS, Ethereum Name Service, but they live directly on the Base blockchain, which is where the Leopard Society's DeFi infrastructure is being built. You can use your Base name across many Base ecosystems apps, including Base.org, on-chain registry, and on-chain summer pass, and even on any EVM compatible blockchain like Ethereum, Polygon, Arbitrium, etc. In the Leopard Society, your base name will eventually be used to prove your citizenship tier, display your contribution status, connect your voting power, digital assets, and project roles. Base names are fully on-chain, which means any info attached to them is permanent and public. Be intentional with what you attach to your identity. You can claim your base name right now for free for 10 years just by paying a 40-cent gas fee on Base. This is optional but highly recommended. If your wallet is your ID, your base name is your badge. The Leopard Society isn't waiting for a future blockchain upgrade. We're already begin building our treasury infrastructure using tools everyone understands, a Google Sheet. What you see here is more than just a spreadsheet. It's phase one of our DeFi operating system. Each member who submits their wallet address is added to this ledger. We track their name, role, status, base name, and email. We log their wallet balance in USDC on Base. We record their last contribution date and automatically track missed weeks. We color code contribution compliance. Green is good, red is missed. Below the main ledger is our wallet snapshot, which records the daily closing balance of all citizens' wallets, tracks the total in our org treasury, multi-sig wallets, help us build real-time accountability and economic modeling. This ledger will eventually power budgeting allocations, voting eligibility, member compensation, future token, or NFT-based reward systems. As we scale this system, we'll evolve into a programmable, treasurable engine integrated with our on-chain tools, but always grounded in transparency, accountability, and sovereignty. This is how you build an economy before you build a city. Let's recap and make sure you're equipped to take action. First, install the Coinbase wallet app using the official site at coinbase.com/wallet/downloads. Use the YouTube tutorials linked here if you want step-by-step visual guidance. Fund your wallet with at least $3 USDC on the Base blockchain. That's your weekly contribution and commitment. Submit your wallet address, full name, join date, and base name if claimed to Jason or the Treasury team so you can be entered into the ledger. You can track your own compliance, contribution history, and citizenship standing in the TLS Treasury Google Sheet. Need support? Ask questions in the wallet chat channel on Discord or direct message Jason if your request involves sensitive information. Every step you take builds our decentralized foundation. Thank you for stepping forward.